Hello everybody, this is for a video for ripping down a piece of plywood, a 4 foot by 8 foot piece of plywood into a smaller square board or rectangular board that's going to be anything smaller than 4 foot and 8 feet. How I always like to do it is I like to cut a section square and parallel and then go ahead and cut another section square and parallel. The method I use is measuring twice, so I start at two corners and measure down from them. And I always add the length of the guide or the base of the circular saw. This should be 1.5 inches. It can be a little less. It can be 35 millimeters, but something in this range is usually what I see typically in circular saws for the fence. So what I will do is I'll go, if I want to make a 2 foot cut here, let's say I want to make a 2 foot by 2 foot square. Well, I'm going to measure it on 2 feet plus an inch and a half. So that's 25.5 inches. So I'm going to go down 2 feet 1.5 inches and make a mark right there, exactly 2 feet 1.5 inches down, and I will make a second mark 2 feet 1.5 inches down from this corner. After I have two small pencil marks here, I am going to draw set a fence up. The edge of a board will line right along these marks. My mark is a little bit off, but and if you do it from corner down 21 or 2 feet 1.5 inches or 25.5 inches and 25.5 inches down, you will have a parallel board to this parallel edge, and you can go ahead and take your circular saw and cut, and the cut will be an inch and a half up or whatever your saw blade is, and you'll cut just an inch and a half up from there. So you'll have exactly a 2 foot, this section will be exactly a 2 foot board. So now you're probably wondering, well, how are we going to rip it down to 2 feet this way? Well, if we go back 2 feet 1.5 inches or 25.5 inches over here and make a mark measuring this way, we do another one measuring this way, and they'll both be at 25.5 inches or 2 feet 1.5 inches. I'm not sure how your tape measure is laid out, and then you're going to repeat. You're going to put another fence along, with some clamps, simple clamps, and you're going to clamp a fence right here, and you're going to cut right along that fence, and you'll be left with a 2 foot by 2 foot square. And you could do this method for plywood or anything else. I hope you enjoy it.